Close your eyes, don't think too much. We don't need a perfect touch. All the answers in the way you say, feel it in your soul, losing all control. No words left to say, just the music leads the way. We go falling in the sun. Lost way turning up. We are never quite the lights begin to fade, and the colors drift away. And the silence is soft and low, with the sound we used to know. So today we're having a setup. 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 So we're having a gold setup, and we're just waiting for it to trigger. Our guys, share the live so that we could have this session go on. And I'm having this setup here. We are live on YouTube. Let me first share this live so that we could start officially. Let me first share this live so that we could start officially. Yeah, Junior, I see you sharing the live. I'm just waiting for gold to reach my level here. And yeah. And we shall have our setup here. Yeah. And if you like to join us, the link will be in the bio. live on YouTube. Yeah, we are live on YouTube. You could join us. I can see we're having 21 people on YouTube. And we're just waiting for our setup to actually reach this zone so that we could start up. Yeah, I'm having Mutebi Mark on YouTube says free per hey. Yeah, I'm good. Sorry, I have flu.
What's your
expectations on PPI? We shall have our expectations. I'll tell you my expectations soon. We're live on YouTube. I'm having Serungwane. Can I ask, are we buying or selling today? Are we actually waiting for our setup to reach so that I can give you the signal very well? Bro, someone is saying, bro, 20 USD, am I eating? Yeah, be on. I'm going to trade PPI live. We shall be on, no problem. I told you, markets actually follow price action. Okay? And every strategy that we use, ICT, SMC, BTMM, everything is price action. So, just be on. Just be on, just be on. What are we exactly expecting? Buys or sells? The setup is here. You could see it yourself. You could come on YouTube here. Unless you're not patient. But if you're patient, let's be on. Let's be on once you're patient. Can you make account management of 100 USD? We could try out, by the way. Yeah, every capital is as long as you have a good entry. You've seen my accounts, how I trade them. I'm having great work. My first time here. Yeah, Fazibye. Okay, Biekwaso. Thanks for coming in. Yeah. Kenya David, you trade gold only. In most cases, I trade gold only. Yeah. We are live on YouTube. You could join us, and we see where to start from. We see where to start from. I told you this week, yes, we're trading live, even if I'm having some flu, but we shall actually, tuja kuyambagana so that we move forward. I want us to be doing these live sessions every single day because I don't want you guys to miss out. I want us to trade together live in these sessions. If we lose, we lose. But in most cases, I know we shall win. So, just be on with me and we see what we can actually get from this thing here. So this setup is just remaining with some few pips here. Let me check the pips. Some good pips actually to reach my level. But we shall be patiently. We shall be patient waiting because this will be a good setup. It could actually happen maybe in a New York session. So let's see. Good courage, Sebo, yeah. We have news, yeah, we have what's the risk to reward ratio on gold. Now this one is I want to like a 2 to 5, but in most cases when we trade, I tell you what to do actually. How much is physical membership and where are the offices? That link in the bio we talk more. The name is hard, but I think you're having Kim. Says precious available. I don't know what you mean there, but Chivilike said position sizing depends on how much capital you're actually having. I could tell you how much you could risk per trade. Back in the house here, of course, we are back. Good morning, Stuart. I'm good. How are you? If I give you MT5 details, what are the percentage you take? Of course, it's known everywhere. Profit share is 50-50. Yeah, you send your MT5 details. Patiently waiting. Yeah, of course, we need patience in the game. We have to be patient if you want to make money. Fripper, how I use a taboo. Please subscribe to that YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe there, because we are live. We're having 41 people here, and we're having a good setup. What's your prediction? Predictions are always done based on the setup that I'm having. I'm just waiting for the setup that I'm having to react the way I want it to react. Then my predictions will be good for you. Chat USD, how much should I risk? You use 0.01. Do you have physical classes? Yeah, on appointments. Only about dance. Which broker do you use for trading, sir? Equity, the link is in the bio, is better because you can have in at least the last 5 minutes entry. Yeah. Which pair is that? That's gold. Musime said, big up the goat. Yeah, sure. Dan said, how are you? What's up, guys? We're good. How are you? We're waiting for this setup to actually reach our level. What would you make you stay out of this trade completely? What would make you stay? I don't know. Because even if I make a lot of money, I cannot be out of the market. Yeah. Bro, news work one. We're waiting just. What funded do you recommend? I will recommend you one. Hey Bionia, how are you? I know I am. Very soon, very soon. You're helping many traders out there. Thanks for appreciating. Yeah, having some people at least appreciating the work we do. Imo, the name is hard. He said, do you do pool trading? No, I actually don't do it. I do account management services. Just toss me your MT5 details if you have some good capital. Yeah. The best flipper in Uganda, of course, and I'm the owner of the name, so I have to be the best. Aha. Tell us big up though. Yeah, I'm good, papa. Obazo kumpisa amagali gatonde wanisa. Daddy Amal said I subscribe to your YouTube channel. I'm in Canada. Please keep posting. We learn. Okay. I won't disappoint you. Juan, I don't know if it's the name. I actually wanted to meet you when you were at classroom, but you left before I could talk to you. Yeah, but I'm a free person, by the way. When you find me, we can talk. Do you do mentorship? Of course I do. Technical analysis is a strategy. No, let me explain that thing, by the way. Okay, we have two analysis, two types, okay? We have the fundamental analysis. We also have the technical analysis. So, for the fundamental analysis, that's where we have the news. What has Trump said? Do we have any war? Do we have any issue like what's the dollar? What like do people in the US have jobs? Do they you see? Are they cutting the rate? So that's where we come with the fundamentals. So technical analysis, that's where we have your strategies. That's where we have your price action. That's where we have your ICT and SMC concepts. That's where we have your BTMM concept. That's where we have the order flow and stuff. That's where we have those things that you do, break and retest, support and resistance, AMD strategies, what and what, that comes in technical analysis. Yeah. Mic is off. I don't know if it's on, maybe.
Is it back? Is microphone back?
So we own. You could share this. My strategy works well on all pairs. It works well, but me as a person, I would prefer gold because of some reasons that I don't know if you could relate. Junior, Stone Live. Stone Live, stay on the live. Stay on the live. Stay on the live. YouTube will strike you by that music. Yes, they can, but they won't because this one it doesn't have copyright. Yeah. Hey Stuart, how are you? Killian Cloud said, under technical analysis, which do you really use? Now for me, I told you I had very many things, by the way. I do trade a lot of things. This setup here, we shall wait for it to retest this level here, this one here. Let me mark it for you. We shall wait for this setup to retest this level again, like this here, and when we get a candle close below, we are going to sell again this trade. We're having money there. Amore is there on live. Okay, bro. Please tell us, when should we prepare ourselves? What did you mean by that? Preparing yourselves? Someone has a question like at 10. Can I call a set up $10? It can use 0.01 and see what would happen. Chart and time frame, sir. This is gold. This is 30-minute time frame, by the way. Yeah, but very soon we're going to turn to 15-minute time frame. Base play clip said, can you explain about the accumulation box in Ugandan time? Would you want me to explain about it? I can. When to buy, when to sell, just be on. I'll tell you. Okay. Man, I'm good. What makes gold different from forex pairs? Okay, let me explain this real quick. Now, gold is a metal, by the way. So, it's heavy, okay? And forex pairs are always not heavy. Cause now let me show you one thing. If now this is gold, let me show you on GBP USD or something, real quick. GBP US. USD. Now these pairs actually tend to move one direction, but the problem they be having is that their pip value is kind of low, like to me, because if I'm to get, let me show you here, if I'm to get let's say 100 pips of GBP USD, okay, let me show you where it would be. Now this would be, you see how things are actually becoming hard, eh? Let me show you 100 pips of GBP USD. Remember, someone is having in lot 1, let's say, and he wants to get, let's say, 1000 USD, eh? On lot 1. Look how far 100 pips of GBP USD could be. Are you seeing? So meaning these don't be actually heavy. So it can take you time to make 1000 USD on GBP USD. Then it will take you some time to make $1,000 on GBP USD than actually making it on gold. Because now look how many candles look how many candles should be actually made to reach 100 what? 100 pips. Yet on gold, let's turn on to gold and I show you something. Yet on gold, we shall only need, let me show you on gold. Yet on gold, to get 100 pips, we shall only need something like this. You see? These are 100. Are you seeing? So meaning, for gold, as long as you get a sniper entry, okay? Even if it moves like 1 candle, 2 candles, it's always easy for you, okay, to get 100 pips. So meaning gold is heavy. Let's look at silver also. Let's look at silver. Let's look at silver here. What makes increase the lot size? Yeah, of course that thing is right, of increasing the lot size, but I'm going to tell you the advantage and disadvantage of it. So when we come on silver, I think silver is also now okay. This I think the 100 for silver. So meaning for GBP USD, it's always hard for someone to make money quickly because those players tend to like don't move. They tend to be there. So link in bio. Tap. Send me a message. We talk. Then we see. Meta lot sizing. What do you mean by that? Do you want me to explain about lot sizing, or you mean something else? What do you mean by that? The voice, bro. I run on the laptop. You're on mute. Seriously? On YouTube? I don't know if I'm on mute. Let me check. Guys, these things be technical, so you should sometimes bear with me if something is not working out well. I don't know if I'm on mute. Let me check. I'm good. I'm actually, I can listen to myself here, so it's working. Your training price, sir. Tap, you send me a message on WhatsApp. Hire me, please, you're hired. Told YouTube might strike you. Bro, I'm a planty kid on YouTube. Your training price, sir. I'm a planty kid on YouTube. They can't strike me. I don't think they will. So someone asked a question that I'm actually trying to forget. People are saying PPI. I'm on, don't worry. So that I'm going to receive my salary of $100 tomorrow, but I can try signals. Yeah, you can. I have 800 USD for account management. I send the MT5 details in my DM. Please answer me. Angel, what question did you ask, please? Ebisale. Daddy Fripper. Let's talk. I'm having flu and cough. I told you so. People should excuse me. Yeah, I'm not okay. I have $10 only. Any advice? Be on. Use 0.01. Yeah, Ricky Fashion Star said you. Mwesigwa Samuel, can I be buying gold as IT approaches our level? That's one of the most dangerous things that you would do, by the way. Explain the self reaper. I'll explain. This is not usual AMD. Yeah. And I told you this is not how my charts look like. I told you when I'm live trading with you guys. Chisero. BTC long term. Nexus. I can also use my phone to trade. I don't need a curved screen. And I have these ones, 2 of them. Even this one. These setups can actually buy you a house somewhere, because all of them are very expensive. Blocking Nexus. Blocking now. That's what Mama. What strategy do you use? I use a lot of strategies. Someone asking if your wife is curved. Maybe, you never know. How do you handle emotions of holding a trade up to predetermined take profit? In most cases, I trust my setup. With $10 work on that setup, it can. Unless your contact, I would like to DM you. You could. You don't have my contact. You could tap my TikTok. My numbers are always there. Even on YouTube, my numbers are always there.
0.10 when you have $40.
Yeah, you can, by the way, as long as you're risking. But don't put in 0.10 at once. Put in 0.01 10 times. But you have to first confirm the bias. Are you actually going to buy or sell? Okay. If you feel like your bias is doing good, then yeah, you could go with it. Are we on, my people, on YouTube? I don't know if you're on. Check if we're on. Yeah, we're on. Let me tap my number. Those people who wanted it. Yeah. So we're just waiting for it to, even if it jokes around, I'm very sure to give us money. 30 miles yesterday we were on YouTube, TikTok or YouTube. Which amount of money I need to teach me? Let's talk in the comment thingy. Is there any difference between 0.10 and 0. Yeah, there is a difference, by the way. There is a difference. If you guys have been looking at my entries that I actually take, you would see that maybe I can use like let's say 0.05, but I don't. Okay, let's say I put like 0.05, like bro. I can put like 0. You know you can be taking.
Continue. What I'm going to do, because you can get a extension app, batteries, getting enough. It's okay. What did you take yourself?
So there is a very big difference, and do you know where the difference actually comes from? The difference actually comes from a lot of things, and when you've observed my entries, you could see that the entry levels are not the same. In most cases, for me, when I enter in, when let's say I'm having this setup here, let me show you. Let's say I'm having this setup here, okay, and the market comes here. The market comes and taps my entry level. I can enter in 0.01 like 4 times. I can wait for it to either maybe be like coming up manipulating. I add in more, okay, and I also add in more. So it makes a very huge difference even while making losses. If let's say you put 0.1 here, like 0.1, when it takes you in a loss, you can easily be wiped out. That's why I told you that in most cases, try to learn position sizing. Okay, try to learn position sizing. Ya mugaso nnyo bw'oba omanyi ku position sizing, buli kimu kisobola okwanguyira. Mukitegeera, buli kimu kisobola okwanguyira. Nze nayiga position sizing era nkolera bulungi nnyo kyemba njagala okukola ki okukola. Okitegedde? Kati market singa eba etuuse ku zooni eno wano, lwaki mba ngikwata ate nnyingire lumu tugambe njateeka mu lot 1 ngenda teekamu 0.3 at first. I see how the markets react. You can enter in your whole lot size, market ne manipulating, you'll be wiped out very soon. Like mu bwangu nobeera wiped out. Okay, do you have any NFP data strategy, or do you trade? I have a strategy. But I don't think I would just give it out. Someone is asking who is the best. This game doesn't need who is like me and this person who is the best. Never. Just needs you to be knowing the market, nothing else. Because the main goal is money, not who is the best in the market. Nivik K said, what strategy could you recommend for a beginner to learn with their basic knowledge? Now that will depend, but first get some free PDFs, okay, and maybe learn how to maybe trade, how to find the break and resistance levels, find those things, so things can actually be easy for you. The best is him who trades, tell him. Do you only trade FVG? No. If I could show you my charts on my phones, my charts actually very, very, very different with what is here. Here it's live trading. Let me show you my charts. Let me show you my how my trading view looks like. Then you also be like you also compare and be and be like, let me show you how my charts look like. I trade a lot of things. I know the market. That's one thing. That's one thing I can assure you. So here I do post what I want you to see, but this is how my chart looks like, you see, and some more other things that I'm having. So this is how my chart looks like, my real trading view. This is how it actually is, you see. So what I'm showing you here is very different because I have a lot of strategies and I know what to use where and when. But this is how my trading view looks like. It's very different with what you think. Your WhatsApp group link, it's in the bio. Which pair? This is gold. We're just waiting for it to reach our level, then we enter in. Hope you have seen that person who said, do you trade FVGs? This is not how my trading view looks like. My trading view is very, very different. How many pairs do you trade? I can trade any pair, but gold is my best pair because I've made so much money trading gold. I've made so much money trading gold. You know about proof farms? Yeah, of course I know. We're having upcoming news. It's okay. Let's wait for it. What do you say about PPI? We have the setup. Strategies you use. I use a lot. Do you guys think I can explain them at just once like that? It's very hard. Plan the kid.
Someone is asking, teach us on how to make supply and demand.
Okay, that's one of the easiest things that anyone could actually learn. Let me show you how it works. Wow.
Candlestick confirmation do you use?
What candlestick confirmation do you use? Let me also explain you the candlestick confirmations that I use. So which one should I start with? Should I start with candlestick confirmations? Or there is something that someone asked that I'm forgetting? Your strategy, accumulation, manipulation, distribution is really very powerful. That's the AMD. It's very good. It's very good. Someone is saying that my screen on 720p is not clear. Yeah, it's not clear, but with time we shall see what to do. Yeah, we shall see what to do about it. What candlestick confirmations do I do? Okay, now depending on what I'm having here right now, the candlestick confirmation that I would wait for right now is the candle body closure. Many people use a lot of candlestick confirmations, like for example, the dojis, the pin bar, the morning star, the I'm also now trying to forget them because I don't really go with them. But now, if let's say this candlestick comes and close and its body closes below my point of interest. Let's say I want to sell, I will actually sell, and I be patient. So I'm patiently waiting for this setup. And if it actually confirms, I'll tell you that it has confirmed this. If it confirms buys, we change. Hey, I'm just waiting for it to execute here, come to my point of interest. If it confirms bearish, we shall sell. Hey. Someone is asking about conferences that I use. I use like a lot of conferences. I just don't share them in most cases. Doji pin buying, I think, yeah, but it's not that if you know a lot of candlesticks you can make so much money. Never. It's not like that. It's never like that. You see, it's coming to our entry level as we marked it. Yeah, it's coming to our entry level as we marked it. So you'll be waiting for my go ahead. I'll check on my phone here for more confirmations. Then we see what will happen. But it's now coming. It's now coming up. If it confirms, we enter. Can bearish engulfing work on that zone? If you see it happening, you tell us, by the way. Be on. Don't go anywhere. We are reaching the level. If you see it, then tell. Guys, we are live trading on YouTube. We are live trading on YouTube, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that it grows. Ekula. I'm not seeing any new subscribers today. I don't know why you guys aren't subscribing. Yeah, I've seen some. Let's make it to 4K today. Yeah, we just need like 7 people to subscribe. It makes it we just need like 17 people today to make it. My math is not good. Don't worry. Someone is saying Markert might continue buying. No problem. If it continues to buy, we shall buy with it. But I also have a reason why I will have to wait for it to come from this level. There's also I will mark it. I'll tell you it will buy from here to here, then sell. I have reasons why. And if it does not confirm the way I want it to confirm, of course we change. The things are not. The forex market is always easy. We have 2 options. We shall either buy or sell. You see? We shall either buy or sell. That's how things work. I've already supply and demand. Wow, what do you mean by that? Guys on TikTok, you could run a little bit, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah. Let's make it 4K today. You see? Oh. Yeah, you try out subscribe to that channel. Just put in StratFX Flipper, then bro, which kind of confirmations do you recommend? You should choose the best for you. Do you recommend someone who knows how to trade, to use a bot to flip account in order to get capital? If you have a working one. Yeah. So that's the channel, guys. Subscribe to the channel. I'm seeing some people are running to subscribe there. Thank you so much. Yeah, we're waiting for it to be on, and those people who are actually patient, we shall win. The more you be patient, the more we actually move. Let's subscribe to the YouTube channel. You already there? Okay. So let's wait. You could see it's moving to the entry level. Lot size for 10 USD is 0.1. Use 0.1. I'm seeing YouTube people are actually have come on YouTube. Yeah, we are now 58 on YouTube, and I'm having in some messages here that I'm actually going to answer very well on YouTube as we wait for our setup. Where is your buy point? No. Let's come at this. As Rachel Natende said, just tell us which strategy is the best for beginners. Mention one. Use price action. The break and retest, the supply and demand. That's one of the easiest. Leave alone the things of us jumping into the AMD. It's very hard. Serunjoji said a scenario where gold doesn't give an entry. Do you trade another pair as you wait for your gold setup, or you go through the storm and trade gold regardlessly? Now, for me, this is what I do. Let me show you. I had in some live last time, and on that live, someone asked a very good question. And what question was that? It was like, Stuart, do like he asked about okay, someone was saying that it takes long to get entries, and he said he trades in 1 hour, 1 word. So this could be the answer for you. I trade for me. I get setups every day on gold, at least two perfect ones. Mostly in the London session and the New York session. Okay, and with that, there's no way I can fail to get an entry on gold. But on other pairs, I can trade them by them. Why do people think I can't trade other pairs? I'm very good at them. Bro, which kind of confirmation do you recommend? The building chief, the panda. Let's look for one pair here. People might think that maybe I'm not good at other pairs. I'm very, very good. Actually, in other pairs, I think I'm even. I think I even trade better than gold in other pairs. Now, like US oil, someone won't tell you that US oil is going to buy from where it is. I will just wait for this candle to close on US oil. Let me show you. US oil. I'll just wait for this candle to close. I'm waiting for this candle to close. And if it closes its body above my entry levels, I'll have to buy it. What's the level? 79, 677, 6. Okay, let's do this. Aha. So this is US oil for you. And for you people, you think I've just come from air to do this setup. Never. I consider a lot of things, just that I'm experienced on what I'm doing. And put our stop loss here, maybe. Yeah. Then we shall have a setup of US oil, which will look like this. Now here, you won't know what I've used. Never. So, this candle that is actually on right now, it has to close above. It has to close above. It has to close above my entry level here. Here. If it does it, then we shall buy. If it doesn't, we leave it. So that's how I use candlesticks, by the way. So that candlestick is remaining with 9 minutes to close. If the body, the body closes above the entry point, just buy. If it doesn't, chill, because it will be indicating sales, which I am not aware if I will recommend them, unless otherwise. Yeah. So there you don't enter unless you want to risk. I have to wait for that candle that is there to close above the entry, so you could take in the trades. I could look for some other pairs. Free pair 0.1, it will be brought in USD. Of course, it won't even waste your time. You won't waste time. So let's look for other pairs as we wait for gold, because people here are eager to make money. US oil, let's just be patient. Let's wait on how it will close, then I will tell you the perfect entry, either to buy or sell. Okay. Let's come on silver here that we talked of. Let me see if you have anything good on silver. No, we don't have. Let's come on US 30. I don't have. We had an entry in the morning, US 30, but right now we don't have any. Someone is commenting BTC USD. I'm going to check on it. Let me first check through my phone here. Let's see if on NZJPY we shall have any entry. No, we won't have any.
Do you use a robot?
No, I trade myself. BTC USD, we don't have an entry right now. Yeah. So today, or right now, we don't have entries on other pairs. It's only US oil here that I'll just wait for it to confirm, then I'm going to tell you what to do. Audi card, those pairs are not meant for us. Audi JPY, the entries are not yet. Let's try GBP USD. I want to see something. The buyers already left us in the London session. I think I'm going to start giving out the GBP JPY in the London session because it moves well in London. Remember, it's the pound. It's the pound. I think your voice on TikTok doesn't match this video. Stay on one place. If you're on TikTok, be there. If you want YouTube, be on YouTube. What's your entry on US oil? I've showed you wait, it confirms. It doesn't. It does. I think this thing is now disturbing you. Okay, let's wait for it to confirm. I'm going to tell you what will happen on US oil. And is GU valid for sale? No, not yet. MSS plus depressment candle 15 minutes. Oh, you talked of euro. Let me see if you have anything good on euro. Oh, okay, it's here. I thought I don't have it in my watch list. Do you know why? Euro USD, the sales have left you. Someone asked Euro USD, sales have already left you by the 1 euro. And I don't think right now you're having any entry. No, you don't have. Even GU don't sell, still bullish. Buys already left you.
These people are not lifting us on TikTok. Why?
Buy
For free, you're going to make money. You're not lifting. People are not serious.
Kumanyi so bajjako kati.
Even liking.
Even liking becomes a problem.
They're almost 110, but we have 8.
You could share this live to your friends, by the way.
Guys, share live and like the live.
Yeah.
You can even comment.
So for US oil, we can easily change bias. I'm just waiting for its candle to close, and if it doesn't close the way I want it to close, I'll tell you what to do. We are actually even having a consequent encroachment level down here. But I wouldn't want to recommend this to you guys. Let us wait for our gold to reach our level. How do I identify supply and demand? Okay, let me show you this real quick here on US oil event. That person was how do you get supply and demand? Do you actually know how to get support and resistance? If you know it, let me tell you one thing about US oil that I'm seeing. US oil had a sell at this consequent level here, and the way that candle is also running, it wants to close bearish and it wants to close below my entry point. So meaning US oil is going to sell. This sell setup, I don't noticed it, but we have it here. This is one. Then another one is going to be here. As long as the candle closes below, let me show you. Our entry is going to be here. Don't worry that. Don't say that. Hey, you guys, you see these setups when they have already moved. No, never. I know what I'm doing. So, if this candle closes the way it is, and then they make a retest again back here to my point of interest, sell. If they close above, then, but I don't think that they're going to close above. So this is our POI, and that's how easy things are. They are very easy. It's very easy to make a setup. Gold is also moving to our POI, and let's wait and see how things will move. We're just waiting for candle close. The body, how the body closes will give us what to do on every pair. So for YouTube, my storage isn't stable. If it's a good one, perfect it. I think we have been here for like an hour. So for US oil, let's see. As the candle closed, yeah. Sell more here. Sell more here. Okay. Sell more of US oil. This was the perfect entry point, so this is going to be a re-entry. Let me sell with you. I don't want you to say, hey, the guy is not selling. Yeah. And I'm having a lot of things here also the thing with what? I'm having a lot of yeah, gold is buying to our point of interest. Don't worry. We shall go for it very soon. It's soon reaching our level, but be selling US oil right now. Yeah, sell US oil. As we look at gold, if it's also reaching our level. But I usually don't exceed 1 hour, since I'm not even okay. I'll have to take some refreshment, get something to eat. Then we'll be on. Let me see what time do we have the news? That you guys are talking about the PPI. Use oil stop loss. Hey, go Labi. Hey, 30 minutes. You just don't serious. Stay on. I'll see if I'll be on. At least you guys allow me to eat from here. If you allow me to eat and you won't have any problem with it, I'll eat. Yeah. Waiting for gold to confirm. Adding more entries on US. Why do you say it's in red? You want to cry? YouTube search on SWAT-FX Flipper, then you get to see me. You are live. It doesn't just move. Maybe I don't know what others do you guys use. And by the way, there are some pairs that you should not run to if you don't have capital, by the way. Wenda sinaba kulya nga mugenda kunsabiriza. Neke mutagenda kunsabiriza. Kaneerire. Mwe mutima byonna bigamba. Kati olidde oneekwasa ki?
Wakuganya kuvawo. But people, you should follow, like, share, and comment. Nakunyegambadde kuko nga sira follow ndi bwe yeeyongera kiki. Era bwe bigaanye follow bwe byegaanye. Even ne likes.
Guys, do you know why trading live? Some metas don't actually want to trade live. Now, like for example, someone is crying about US oil. Let me see. Let me look for the entry. I want to show you something. Because I won't see a reason why someone would have to cry about US oil, yet it is still on the entry point. How can someone cry like, look at where the SLs are. Even US oil is still moving at an entry point, but then someone wants to. Someone said, let's say Debbie Akudia. Okay, it's still moving, it's still at the entry point, and you want to cry. Then why do you come to US oil? Trade another pair. Still at the entry point. And mind you, that's a re-entry. I've shown you where the perfect entry was. That's a re-entry, so bear with it.
Tell them to look for country.
So for gold, now gold, let me tell you what gold can actually do, eh? Kabagambe gold chainzo kola. Now what gold can do, gold, since you're having news that okay, what gold can actually do is wait for if you are waiting for PPI. Sometimes we are going to check on the DXY how the dollar index is behaving, but PPI could come by to our entry level, trigger, then maybe we get to what? Entry. Okay? Have that in mind. So let's be on.
Don't cry,
Hey, don't cry. Ninapakadia mwenyeji tamujimalawo. Ninapakadia mwenyeji mweneva mala. Be patient. Pita toina magezi. Gold has confirmed, bro. Gold has not yet confirmed. It hasn't reached our level. So I've showed you, since we have news, we could have a reaction, okay? Maybe they could come, bounce to our entry, doing news. So I'm here. Let me be here since I've got what to eat. I was going to run because I wanted to eat. Come and try this summer. Tubajja kunsumbuwa.
Oyagala tusumbuwa. Ekifo ky'okulayikanga n'okukyalira naddala bawirawo mulimu bya kisiru. Let's serious.
So guys, let's be on. We're remaining with some few minutes to news.
Thank you, one man. Thank you.
US oil is on the entry and people are crying. When do you want to trade US oil with your $10 account? And you want to cry? Package ya mutimaya jimala off.
I have a question, guys.
DJ FM ask the question that you're having.
Yes.
Ruwama Benjamin said that too, say, Jango. US oil is moving good because you're in blues. Newe yakamuka kaka ready katininga. Okay, the Jakuba toka gwebaleke. Green hats we are there, yeah, sure. Mlaiking, hey, Mlaik is by the way.
That's what we want.
Mlaiking,
So they are waiting for us to tell them to like.
Jabajukiza package yawe nyingi.
And someone is gifting us. Thank you so much.
Oh. Now TP and SL in bio. Ukira no kalanga. Sinukamanyo. Yeah, nice smart. No so kwa hivyo masivu mimi. Taka chechigeno kuni mesogena ku international level. Nenjagala yote.
Yes,
Okay. International level njagala yote chinga so kukola sente wako. Nozamula ba US only elimu kuba ku sente. Mwongere onyweza. Sibanga nabadde bifo. Bituufu. Tekako bulamu. Nzukasanyi n'obwange. USL is first come and show them this thing here. This. Let's show them this. This is the entry that US Oil had, okay? We had a point of interest here and consequent level, and we're having a re-entry here. This one is the re-entry that everyone is trying to buy, and you could see how actually candles are moving. We're having a rejection there. Do you know that besides forex being hard, it's always even hard to get a rejection level? Like there, it's a good rejection level. It's very hard to get, okay? So package yaffe eri wano ku zaabu. Tumulinde tulabe anaakola atya.
Peace. Can I use 50?
Yeah, thanks, Ricky. I am the best. Will this news have impact? Let's see. Because you guys reminded me of PPI. Me, I was not even aware. Just waiting for this level. Seeing this level. Katulize confirmation. Makande eve wano. Eyambuke wano. Confirming tuselinge. We confirming a bullish nga tubayinga. Kitwagala kola so kitwagala like kukaka. We don't tukaka. I'm not sure the reasons why CPI moved the way it moved yesterday. Let me show you here. For US oil, no, for gold, someone who made analysis on DXY would actually see I had a perfect entry point here. Are you seeing this candle? I had in confirmations here, and I knew that that the dollar index would sell, meaning gold had to buy by all means. That's how things are made easy. This oil is moving good. Don't cry, don't cry. So for gold, let's just wait patiently. It's actually reaching the level. I don't know if it will reach there before the news, but we shall actually see. Tujja kulima tusaaga, tujja kulima bulaza. Someone is saying never traded US oil. Let me try out today. And US oil is going to move good. Let me show you. For me, I made my things easy. And someone cannot just know how I get the entries by the way. I think these candles that I'm trying to be formed, it's now confirming more that it might close bearish. I know it's closing bearish. It's confirming more that we can see in some more sales, some more good sales. I think closing bearish, then this candles try to retest and what. So yeah. If you feel no, so we are live on YouTube.
If you feel like
If you feel you want, yeah, go to YouTube. We are live on YouTube. Subscribe to the channel, join us.
Don't join without subscribing, please. First subscribe, then you join.
Yeah, we're having some 160 people here on TikTok. Meaning, if you guys could spare your time, try to subscribe to my YouTube. Yeah, it's moving by the way. Just 7 people to make it 3.9. Let's do it. VIP tonatua atendi wano. VIP kati moving namwe bro mpaka wano. Nyengera bateramu. Mwemba wakiwedde tekinnaggwa. Leka bano basooke babone. Guys, subscribe to the channel. I'm seeing we have got some subscribers. You could join that Telegram channel. The link is in the bio. Yeah. Let's make it, those 7 people could make it 3.9, guys. Do it for me. Do it for yourself too. Tuli beteefuteefu ng'abantu. Guys, join the Telegram channel too. We're having a Telegram channel there. You could join it too. Yeah. Link in bio.
Link in the bio. You get
for
everything
VIP.
from there. You can tap from there. There is WhatsApp, there is Telegram.
If you want to talk to me,
it has everything. So please feel free to link in that.
And I see guys, you're liking the live. It's now in 20k. Thanks.
Yes, that's what we want. Thank you. Aona muntu zama amani naye
Pakusumbusa boy. Muko nina kuwa nange ndi bubi sokoleke mala okulya. So 10 minutes to news. Let's wait and see if we shall have any confirmation when they reach our level here. Mani musiramu ali mukisiibo. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channels. Link is in the bio. I saw someone saying I know you're good in news. Yeah, I'm good in news, but let me make some quick analysis. Yeah, more quick analysis. Because I don't usually go in for news. There's something I wanted to check. Okay, when I look at the dollar index, it's kind of bullish, yeah. The bullish, no. So we will continue the way to show is a gold abajakuka. Tap the link in the bio. Is it 48? Why is it 40? Yeah, something like that. Let me see the broker that I'm using. OneForex.com. Okay. Our point is
good. Yes, we are on.
Our point is 48. That I want it to confirm from here. This is 46. Let's use 48. So So we're waiting for this 8 minutes to see how things will move here. So let's focus on gold, leave US oil.
Yeah. Cameraman, I've never seen in GLE. I've never seen in GLE. So far, you won't see me anywhere.
Tagafuula mawulire.
Tagafuula mawulire, you won't see me. Hey, you're going to get it, Ram. Just make sure you have enough capital.
Why do you guys concentrate so much on news? Mujja gonda mpola basaaga.
Network, it's not network. Why this network is clear. Guys, thanks for following. Welcome you liking our idea. I don't know why. Continue liking and follow the live. Follow the live. At least today we could make 10.5k followers. Imagine 160 people. Please, if you are not following us, you may not see the next live one here. So it's Chikukabata following. Help us share the signal here. I am sorry, my business to trade. It's to trade last.
So guys, I see we are now 3 for 3,900 on YouTube subscribers. That's 3.9k. That's good. But don't forget that if you add on these 99 remaining people, we shall sleep in 4k.
Where do you exactly gonna sell from?
We are just waiting for confirmations. Don't panic to enter in.
Someone said, now. Why don't you be patient? Please. Thank you for the roses. Yes, link in the bio, please. There is a WhatsApp, there is Telegram channel, there is everything is there. You can check an inbox. You talk to Mr. Stewart. Confirmation then. So we're gonna seek a setup. So if you want to try it now, you can do it and see how much can cost you.
Ka setup ka rahisi. Setup ka rahisi nnyo. No gaming keyboard. So ugifuna mouse can get it. Nawe niweyagalako ng'abaana balala. How are you doing over there, Stuart, with the FX gold? Skategedde nenze ngaze omuntu amoke. So 1 minute to your news, guys. Let's see if it will come and trigger our setup. I don't think. So I told you to buy to our setup, which it has done. So I told you that news follow price action. Now, don't sell. Wait for this candle to close. If this candle closes below my entry level, sorry, I'm not okay.
Are you guys seeing the trading? They told you to wait.
So, when it closes below this entry level, we shall have in sales. Unless you want to risk and sell from where it is right now. So news always follow the same setups that we be having. They don't make any difference. News follow our setups. They do follow price action. The same way that you would follow it, okay? Risk takers, you're in profits. If you're not a risk taker, wait for the candle to close. If the candle closes below this entry level, that way it's doing. It's very good. You show them this. You show them this. Are you seeing how it's reacting on the entry level? So when we close below here, then we shall trigger in the sales. Unless you want to risk and sell from where it is. Yeah. But news follow price action. So we shall be patient and wait for that 15-minute candle to close. So let's wait and see. Yeah, nage mutumide. All my hobbies are trading. What this is? I think I was the first one to trade from Budo, if I'm not mistaken. And I've inspired a lot of hobbies. I'm sure. I've inspired a lot to trade.
I'm kind of requesting this signal to be shared.
Should I what?
But I'm kind of requesting this signal should be shared here, please.
But we are on. You just be on with us.
You are not feeling it.
So let's wait and see how that candle will actually close to give us the go ahead. If it closes bearish, that's a 15-minute candle. I don't know how long. Let me see how many minutes are remaining for it to close. Yeah, we see how it closes. Then, unless you're a risk taker, you can take it from there. Sometimes for me, when I'm having smaller accounts, I can risk take if I feel that the setup will sell. But for a good confirmation and a proper risk trade, we should always wait for that candle to close. Depending on my entry conferences that I use. If it doesn't close the way we want it to close, then we shall change the bias. It's easy to change the bias, but just first reach that level. So let's wait and see what will happen here. When we look at where the market is right now, let me check if we have an Asian high there. Because this market always looks for some good zones. Of course, I'm having an Asian high here. I'm having an Asian high here, whereby I had to liquidate it first. and I think it has been liquidated. We have an Asian high here that has been liquidated here. Now we shall have two things here. Okay, I'm going to get you another setup right now, but we shall have two setups. We shall have two things here. Let me show you. From where the market is to the retest level here, we're having I think like 150 pips. Okay, so I would suggest that we have in some sales from here where the market is right now. We have in some sales here, and we have our take profit again here where the market did what? Because it will come back and retest this level here. So we can have in some sales with a proper risk management right now.
Should we sell?
You're having some sales now. Let's target this one, these pips that we will be having here. But that's a scalping setup, so you should be aware it's a scalping one. We're just scalping. If you feel like you've got some good amount, you're free to close. Then we shall have our buy. We shall have our buys here. I'm expecting buys here. It's a setup that we shall be having. Expecting buys here. This market. So that's what we are having now. We're in profits, I guess, of some pips.
Some of you didn't.
They did. I went to Bagala Center. Our sale was here, right? Was here, I think. People sold from here. So now what I've done is what I do when I'm scalping, by the way, because now that's scalping. That's how I scalp. I can know that the market has done this and this, and maybe this and this could happen. And so far it has moved in some few pips here. It has moved in some few pips here. Some few 40 pips. And in most cases, when mostly in those channels that you'll be in, that could be a take profit one. Someone will tell you as a take profit one, because this is a scalping one, okay? Yeah. And it might not exceed this level. We shall buy again gold from that level. I didn't see that coming too. But I told you in most cases, we just have to wait for confirmations. It's a good one, a sharp one. How many pips are these so far? You could take some partials. They gave us 50 pips. 50 pips is good. Take some partials, set break even. We see what to do. Now, what I've done here, you've got a chart, you've got some charts and you've seen what I've done today. That's how I be in the market. And if you remember when I told you that me, I can just look at the market and I know that it will do this and this. It will retest, it will do this and this. I be knowing. Why? I've spent some time in the charts here. So I be knowing that if market does this and this, it can do this and this. Now you can sell from here, you can get some money from here, you can do this and this. This comes with experience, because there is something I considered. I didn't consider about any I did now for those 50 pips that you've actually got, 54 pips. I didn't consider like any strategy there. No, I just know how the market moves, so I know that it will do this and this. Okay, and that's why I told you that you can scalp sell. Let's get some money and we see what to do. So there is this setup that I'm going to give you. Yeah, I'm having people saying here gold sales and profits. Of course, they're in profits. You guys are made money. So I, as yet to close, I'm going to give you these points here. Come, mark for me 40. So there is this setup that I'm going to give you. Mark for me 40. 46.800. If market comes again to that level, just buy. It's 46.800. When it comes again to that level, just buy. So here we have taken out some Asian highs somewhat. It's a scalp setup there. See, that's why for the 50 pips I told you first secure them around. But when you get when it actually moves to this level, let me show you again to this level. It would have given someone 160 pips. Okay, if at all it comes here, so meaning if it reaches this level and you get those pips, it also makes more sense if you buy again from this level here. And so far the way it is doing. It's like giving us a good confirmation that maybe we are on the right track, because I can see some liquid has been swept of some liquid of some levels, and I'm seeing some bullish engulfing candles here. So some people could hold in, yeah. But for the best setup that we are having is a buy at this level, the level that I've given you. Yeah. Don't cry. Package here nyingi. So when we search on US oil, let me show you US oil, the one that we gave out. Some people were not ready to be maybe patient, but it also moved. Because I'd seen in some confirmations, that's why I gave it out. I don't just give out pairs. So I told you we had a sell here, and this was just a retest. And right now, it's also there by the way, this US oil. If it was me, I leave it in peace. gold tomwesibaako nnyo oba tonnayingira nkuwadde level ya 46.800 nega market wekomawo bayinga tusikawupinzeemu zino pips 5 ne tufuna kye tufunye right now are wary if it is me on my personal accounts so riskinga ne sellinga naye gwe osobola okugumiikiriza bw'oba ofunye ku ziri pips 5 n'okkakkana oba n'olinda n'ofunira ddala waneeno ng'eselling ddala naye ng'okubayinga marking 46.800 awo waliwo psychological level marking esobola okukyukirawo nyinawo point of interest people have made money here. No, 5 minutes. $48.800 there we shall have something. We shall have buys. If at all it reaches again to that level. So we shall be having these live sessions on a daily basis. We shall be having them daily. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also to follow and like my TikTok. And I might come again back in the New York session. Or till we meet again tomorrow, which is a Thursday. So in most cases, there are points that I give here and people take them like jokingly, but I be serious about the points that I'm actually sharing to you. If I tell you that maybe mark 40, 48, no, did I say 40, 40 what? 40, 40, 40, 40, okay, let's make it 40, 47. 40, 47. But in that point, we shall have in some good entries. Yeah. Someone is saying that confirm you will give me some few minutes. Give me some few minutes. When we talked of the candle confirmations, we shall wait for the 1 hour candlestick, the way it will open. Okay, I'll tell you the direction on how that candle will actually give us money. I'm having someone here. Thanks FX. I mastered my strategy. You told us to create our own trading strategy. CPI I killed, PPI I killed. It's still holding. That's good. That's good. I told you I should consider a strategy. Master it. Take it serious. And I will show you, as your own, I will show you a small account being flipped with the same setups that I be giving you here.
So I can give you look my account was 20
Now, if you want me to manage your account, you can tap my number.
It is 68.
Yeah, Nelson made money. He came in with 20 USD and he said he has made in. Now the account is $68. That's good. Make sure you don't miss our lives, and make sure you don't wisec or you listen to what we give out.
Okay.
And at that point where the market is, we're having in I'm having in a 200 MA, which might also give me something serious here. Which might confirm.
I wanted to know how I can decrease it.
Someone is saying Nelson wants to maybe Nelson akantu agagitusa ku $10 ayinze entry ya 4047 kyokka akoze $8.
Meet up in the bio, get the links, the box. Here's a new US oil. Next entry will be at 40. Yes. What is it? How much you want? Want to be like the big man, that big man.
Yeah, as long as you So guys, you could subscribe to my YouTube channel. I saw in let me see how many people are remaining for us to make 4K. You guys are not subscribing. Why? There is one thing I'll actually guys teach you. That will be position sizing. How do I position size? I'll teach you that thing very well, and most cases if you consider it if you consider it, I think it will make for you more sense to make you money.
You can check on YouTube, you can check on TikTok, videos are there. Telegram videos are there.
Heartbeat sings with the sound, lost but never be found.
Shinga mudduka mumaze okukola ssente kati muddusse.